Let us continue with the 27th problem now. So here we are having a problem. Suresh is a government employee, so he is working in a government department. So be careful whenever he says government employee, means entertainment allowance will be given as deduction. Submit the following particulars. Basic pay 1,44,000 per annum. DA is part of salary 56,000. City compensatory allowance 600 per month into per annum we have to convert. It is fully taxable. Entertainment allowance is fully taxable. Again we have to give this entertainment allowance as deduction to the government employee. Next, children education allowance 8,000 for 3 children. 3 children, 4 children. Max is to 3 children. So you remember children education allowance is 2,400 is exempt. Children education allowance is 2,400 is exempt. This you fix in your mind. Okay, above this, that is taxable. Medical allowance fixed, this is also taxable, 600 into 12 months. Advance salary is a salary, that is also taxable. Overtime remuneration is also taxable, comes under salary. Leave encashment, this is also salary, it comes under salary. Rent-free accommodation owned by employer having a municipal value of 88,000 per annum, rent fixed by government 40,000 per annum. So it's very easy. Government employee means directly take rent fixed by government, that is 40,000 plus cost of furniture 68,000. So 10% of 68,000 you get 6,800 you get. Okay, it's very easy. Motor car of 1.44 cc is provided to him both for office and personal use. Expenses are borne by employer. So expenses borne by employer. So we have to take 900 plus 900 into 12 months. We'll do when we do the calculation. He and his employer contribution to SPF. Whenever there is SPF, interest also SPF. Ignore completely. Whenever he says there is SPF state statutory provident fund. So you ignore that. The complete this you have to ignore. Compute taxable salary and qualified amount for deduction under section 80C. So we will first find out 20. So first we'll find out how much is income from salary first. Okay, it's very easy. We'll solve this now. So we'll start solving this problem. So computation of Mr. Suresh. Income from salary. For the AY 2020 and 21. Particulars. Amount. First is salary. Okay. So in salary we are having 4 to 5 items. We'll leave some space and we'll write allowances. Okay, after allowances we are having perk visits. So allowances we are having 3 to 4 items. So we'll leave some space and we write perk visits. Okay, after perk visits we are having 4 to 5 perk visits. After that we can write here as gross salary. Gross salary. Okay, after that we write deductions under section 16. Under section 16, first one is standard deduction, that is 50,000, that is fixed. Then second one is after standard deduction we are having employment tax. Next, third is entertainment allowance. It will be given him because he is a government employee. Then we get income from salary last. Okay, we will write one after the other all the items. So first we are having salary. So in salary we are having first what is given, basic pay, that is 1,44,000. So let us write first basic pay. 1,44,000. Then after basic pay we are having DA, that is part of salary, we have to write under allowances. Dearness allowance, it is part of salary. How much is part of salary? 56,000. So we'll write 56,000 as dearness allowance. After that we are having city compensatory allowance, that is fully taxable, 600 per month. So I'm writing here CCA, city compensatory allowance, 600 into 12, so we get 7,200. CCA, after CCA we are having entertainment allowance, So first you write entertainment allowance here, then later on give deduction. Entertainment allowance is 9,000. Okay, next we are having children education allowance, that is 8,000. So children education allowance, children education allowance, how much is given? 8,000. How much is exempt? 2,400. You remember 2,400 is exempt. So 8,000 minus 2,400, 5,600 is taxable. Okay, after that we are having fixed medical allowance, that is also taxable. Medical allowance, medical allowance 600, right? 600 into 12, again we are getting 7,200. After that we are having advance salary, that becomes part of salary. So go to salary and write advance salary. How much is advance salary? 18,000. So written 18,000 rupees. After that we are having what? Overtime remuneration, that is also part of salary. Overtime remuneration, how much is overtime remuneration? 10,000. After that we are having leave encashed, that is also part of salary. Leave encashed, how much is leave encashed? 14,000. Done. Next we are having rent free accommodation provided by, okay, so we have to do working notes now. So working note will do first rent free accommodation. Rent free accommodation. Okay, so rent fixed by government is taxable. Rent fixed by government is taxable. How much rent is fixed by the government? 40,000. So write 40,000 plus furniture, cost of furniture, that is depreciation, cost of furniture. So 68,000 into 10%, 6,800. Whenever the furniture is provided with the RFA, see, furniture is also providing. So cost of furniture means owned. Owned means 10% of depreciation you have to take. So 46,800 we are getting as for rent free accommodation. So I am writing here rent free accommodation. You have to write under perquisites RFA 46,800. Next we are having what? Okay, motor car we are having 1.4 cc provided both for office and personal purpose. So small car is provided. Small car is provided by the employer, and the expenses is met by employer. Only car is provided, driver is not provided. See here, only car is provided, right? Only car is provided for both. Okay, so car is provided means what we have to do? See here. So employer expenses are paid by made by employer. Expenses are paid by employer, and is a small car. So what you have to office and private use? So only you have to take 1,800. Okay, so motor car. Driver is not saying motor car. 1,800 into 12. 21,600. Done. After that we are having what? Employer contribution SPS not taxable. Okay, done. This is all done now. So entertainment allowance working note we have to do. So second working note, entertainment allowance. Okay, so entertainment allowance is what? Least of the following. First is actual amount received. So entertainment allowance is received is how much? 9,000. Second is 20% of salary. Salary means only basic pay. Salary means only basic pay. 1,44,000. So 1,44,000 into 20%. 1,44,000 into 20%. Getting 28,800. Third is max 5,000. Least of the three is 5,000. So 5,000 is deduction. Entertainment allowance 5,000 is deduction. Okay. So we have written everything which is there in the question. Now we'll do the calculations now. So 1,44,000 is basic pay plus 18,000 plus 10,000 plus 14,000. So we are getting 1,86,000 as our salary. 86,000 as salary. The DNS allowance 56,000 plus 7,200 plus 9,000 plus 5,600 plus 7,200. So we are getting 85,000 as allowances. So this is, we are having only two. 46,800 plus 21,600. 68,400 we are getting as work visits. So income, gross salary, you add this all three. 68,400 plus 85,000 plus 1,86,000. So we are getting 3,39,400. Gross salary is 3,39,400. Then from that you deduct 55,000 deduction. So minus 55,000, get 2,84,400. 2,84,400 income from salary. Okay. Let us continue with 29 question. So 28 you try, it's very easy. 29 I am solving. So what is saying in the 29 question? Raja is working in a private company with the following emoluments. So the name of the person assessee is Raja. So he is working in a private company. So his emoluments is given. So he is earning basic pay 18,000 per month. DNS allowance part of salary 8,400 per month. Bonus is 36,000. Commission is 24,000. Advance salary is 20,000. Overtime remuneration is 10,000. Entertainment allowance is 8,000. Okay. So we are having conveying allowance 6,085% is spent, 15% is unspent. Marriage allowance fully taxable. Free lunch per 260 days and each lunch costing 80 rupees. So we know lunch up to 50 is exempt. Okay, above 50, that is 80 minus 50, that is taxable. Free accommodation at Hyderabad owned by employer having a fair rental value of 48,000. Cost of furniture is 80,000. So Hyderabad means population will be more than 25 lakhs and 15% of salary we have to take for unfurnished accommodation, and cost of furniture is given 80,000. 10% of this 80,000 we have to take, that we get RFA. We'll do when we solve the problem. Free use of motor car with the driver. With the driver is saying, with the driver means you have to take 1.6 cc car both for office and private and personal purpose. Okay. In the earlier problem he says only motor car. He is not saying driver and all. So we have not taken driver. A car of 1.4 cc is provided to firm both for office and private use. So in this problem is not saying only motor car. You take motor car. If he says driver, then you have to add 900. Okay. Next, employer and employee contribution to 20,000 each to RPF and interest credited to around 13% of 6,500. So both employer and employee both are contributing to recognized provident fund. 20,000 both are contributing. Employer contribution we have to check. Other payments are not required. Okay. So simple problem, we'll solve this. So problem number 29 will solve. Let's continue. So we are putting heading as question number 29. Sorry, question number is 29. So we write heading as computation of income from salary of, his name is Raja, for the AY 2020-2021. Particulars, amount. Okay. So first is salary. We write Roman number 1, salary. So we have some 5 to 6 items. So we'll leave some space and we write Roman number 2, allowances. Some 4 to 5 allowances we are having. And we write Roman number 3, perquisites. then we leave some space, lot of space we'll leave, then we'll write gross salary here, then we write deductions under section 16. First is standard deduction, that is max 50,000 always there. Rest of the deductions are not there, so we don't write. It's up to if you want to write, if you write, otherwise leave it. Then we get income from salary. Done. So we'll write one after the other all items which are given in the question. So first is given basic pay 18,000 per month. So and we'll write basic pay. How much is basic pay? 18,000 into 12 months. So we do take 18,000 into 12. We get 2,16,000 as basic pay. Done. Next we are having DNS allowance part of salary. So DA is there, part of salary is also there. So allowances we have to write here. DNS allowance. Okay, how much is DNS allowance? 8,400 per month. 12. Get 100,800. Okay, after DNS allowance we are having bonus. Bonus is how much? 36,000. So we'll write bonus under salary. Bonus 36,000. After bonus we are having commission, that is how much? 24,000. So commission also becomes part of salary. So write commission 24,000. Okay, after commission we are having advance salary, that also comes under salary. Advance salary. How much advance salary? 20,000. So we'll write 20,000 and advance salary. After that we are having overtime remuneration, that also becomes part of salary. Overtime remuneration, that is 10,000. Entertainment allowance is 8,000. So entertainment allowance you have to write under allowances. Entertainment allowance, that is 8,000. Done. After that we are having conveyance allowance 85%. 85% is spent, 15 is unspent. So conveyance allowance we have to take, that is partly taxable, partly exempt. Conveyance allowance 6,000 into 15% is taxable. How much is spent? 85% spent. How much is left? 15%. So 6,000 into 15%, we are getting 900 is taxable. Okay. After that we are having marriage allowance, that is fully taxable. Marriage allowance is fully taxable. Amount is 6,000. Next, free lunch up to 280 days is perquisites. So we have to go into perquisites, right? Free lunch. How many days? 260 days. Into how much is taxable? 30. How 30? How much is given per day? 80. So 80 is given, up to 50 is exempt. 80 is given, 50 is exempt. So above 80, 50, how much is there? 30. 260 into 30. 30 is taxable. 260 into 30. 7,800 is taxable. Okay. Next, we are having after that rent-free accommodation at Hyderabad. Okay, we'll do calculation of salary. 15% of salary we have to do. So we are doing working note here. 29 question working notes we are doing. On the same page we are having 27 question working note and 29th also. So I am doing here 29 question working notes. I have written also 29 question working note. Rent-free accommodation. Rent-free accommodation. So what is saying? 15% of salary, because he is staying in Hyderabad. 15% of salary we have to take. So when is salary definition? What is the salary definition? Salary equal to basic pay plus DA, that should enter into part of salary. Then we have bonus, then commission plus all taxable allowances. Okay, so basic pay how much we are having here, only we can see question. In the question our solution we can see basic pay 1,44,000. Bonus is not there, so write 1,44,000. DA is there. Is it a part of salary? Yes, DNS allowance is a part of salary, 56,000. So it's a part of salary. I am writing here POS, part of salary, 56,000. So let us add 56,000 to this. Bonus is not there in the problem. Commission is also not there in the problem. Oi, bonus and sorry, I'm seeing 27th question. This all you should not write. This is I am copying from 27th question. So my mistake. So we all the things we are having here. 29th question I am writing. 28th question, 27th question I am writing. So here we are having basic pay 2,16,000 plus DA also there. It's a part of salary, 1,08,800. So 1,08,800 is DA. Bonus we are having here 36,000. So bonus we are having here, and commission is also there. Commission is at 24,000 plus 24,000 plus all taxable allowances. So we are having 1 lakh except DA 8,000, 9,000 and 900 and 6,000. 8,000 plus 6,000 plus 900. So put together 14,900. I am writing here 14,900 all allowances. So let us do the addition 2,16,000 plus 1,08,800 plus 36,000 plus 24,000 plus 14,900. So we're getting 3,91,700 as salary. Salary of this we have to take 15% into 15%. So we get 58,755. So I'm writing here unfurnished accommodation 58,755 plus cost of furniture we have to add. How much? 10%. So furniture is how much he's providing? He's providing furniture. He is providing furniture 80,000. So 80,000, 10% is 8,000. Okay. So 58,000 plus 5,000. 58,755 plus 8,000. 66,755 is a rent-free accommodation. 66,755. So rent-free accommodation. So let us write here RFA 68,755. Done. Okay. After that we are having what? Free use of motor car 1.66 cc. A small car. So motor car, small car means 1,800 plus 900 also is saying for driver into 12 months. Okay, so small car he is providing. So 1,800 plus 900. It's a 1.66 cc means big car. Sorry, 2,400 plus 900. So 2,400 plus 900 into 12. 39,600 we are getting for car. Okay, so 39,600 for car. After the car, what is been provided? Contributions, employer and employee contribution. Okay, so employer contribution is not taxable. Employee contribution is also not taxable. Interest I am taking here. Interest credited. How much interest is crediting? 13%. So 9.5% is exempt. Okay. So we don't know. For 13% is given. How much is given for 13%? 6,500. Okay. So do cross multiplication. 9.5 into 6,500 divided by 13. 9.5 into 6,500 divided by 13. 4,750 is exempt. So 6,500, 4,750 is exempt. Minus 6,000. So 1,250 is taxable. 12 or 1750. 6,500 minus 4725 50. So 1750. So 1750 is taxable. Done. We have done everything right. So let us add all this. We have to add now. So we are having here salary 2,16,000 plus 36,000 plus 24,000. So I'll do all the additions and I'll send the picture. Okay, directly I'll send.